Hello. May I help you, sir? Are you looking for a Handycam?
Oh, hi. Thank you, but I think my smartphone is well enough to shoot videos.
The image quality of the Handycam is many times better than a smartphone. Please have a look at this video. Handycam has a bigger sensor and brighter lens compared to a smartphone, so you could able to shoot high quality videos in any situations, even in the dark places.
I see. But I got my digital camera as well. Isn't it good enough?
Handycam is better than your digital camera. It offers 55 times zoom that allows you to shoot more closely to your shooting subject, even this much closer to the moon. Moreover, speedy zoom allows quick focus to your shooting subject.
Hey, what about DSLR cameras? Recently it's become very popular and I'm planning to have one.
But if you want only 30 times zoom in a DSLR camera, you need to use big size lens like this. It makes your camera heavier and bigger. Handycam is much lighter and allows you to shoot in various styles as well.
I see. But you know what? Actually, I don't feel like buying a Handycam. Often, we don't see the taking videos and it's kind of bothersome to connect with TV or PC.
Sir, Handycam offers built-in projector. Now you can enjoy and share your videos in any time and any place without having the troublesome cable connections. The advantages of Handycam are image quality, zoom function, built-in projector, and various shooting style. These will make easier to preserve your precious memories. Family events, emotional expressions of your growing kids will never come back again unless you capture them nicely. Preserve and share.
Yeah, to preserve and share our precious memories, the best choice is Handycam. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, sir.